The Platinum Visa for rebuilding your personal credit is definitely a great credit card if you have a lower credit score. Now, the good thing about this credit card is you can pre approve before applying for this credit card without no hard inquiry to your personal credit whatsoever. Now, this credit card is good for people that is looking to rebuild their personal credit. So, if you have a lower credit score, this credit card can definitely help boost your credit within 3 to 6 months. Now, this credit card is also good for everyday purchases and as well as earning cashback rewards. Now, you can earn a 1% cashback rewards on eligible gas and groceries, as well as your monthly mobile phone, internet, cable, and satellite TV services. Now, I talk about Credit One Bank a lot because this was my first credit card that I've gotten when I had a lower credit score. Now, they normally approve people with a credit score below 600, but you can also get this credit card if you have a okay credit score as well. Now, you can get rewards on your account for eligible purchases. Now, you can also get credit limit increases frequently. As someone that used to bank with them, I did get frequent credit limit increases every 4 to 6 months. So, I do recommend this credit card again if you have a lower credit score. Now, the initial credit limit for this card normally starts off around $300 all the way up to $600, but you can get a higher increase all the way up to $1,000. Now, in order to get $1,000 limit increase, they do take in a lot of factors. So, are you making your on time payments? Are you making more than the minimum monthly payments? Are you paying off your balance in full each month? And they also look at the change in your income and your credit utilization. So all of those different factors play a part in your credit limit increase. Now they do have a annual fee of $75 the first year. Then after that, $99, which will be billed annually at $8.25 per month. Now they do have a high APR right now at 29.49%, but that varies and they look at your overall credit profile. Now they do have additional card benefits, so they have contactless pay, zero fraud liability, and they also have free online access to your credit score, easy to use mobile app, and you can get custom notifications. And a good thing about this credit card as well is you can choose a new payment date. So if you're not okay with your payment date being on the first, second, third, or fourth of the month, you can change that to whatever date you would like. So again, this credit card can definitely help you build your personal credit. This is a really great bank. Like I said, I banked with them before when I had a lower credit score, and I actually do still have one of their credit cards that has a high limit up to $5,000. So, again, if you guys are looking for a credit card to help you rebuild your personal credit, this credit card can definitely be a great credit card for you. Now, our next credit card will be the Premier credit card. Now, this was also one of my first credit cards as well, the Premier credit card. So, this credit card is good for people with a lower credit score. Now, if you have a credit score of 500 or higher, this credit card can definitely help you rebuild your personal credit. Now, they do not offer any pre approval for this credit card. So if you do apply, there will be a hard inquiry on your credit profile. Now, keep in mind, this credit card is designed to help you rebuild your personal credit. So they have a credit limit. Up to $700, but this is based on credit worthiness. But you can get an increase all the way up to $1,000. Now, they do have an account opening requirement program fee between $55 and $95. Now, there is an annual fee between $50 all the way up to $125. And the monthly fee for that ranges from 0 to $10.40. But again, this is all based on credit worthiness. Now, they do have a very high APR at 36%. And this card is best for people that is looking to build their personal credit and have a credit score of 500 or higher. Now, the next credit card again is the Premier Bank card. Now, this card is for people with no credit score or if you have a lower credit score. So, if you are looking for a credit card for the first time, this could be a good credit card, but they do have, or other banks do have more options for people that are looking to apply for their first credit card. Now, with this credit card, the initial credit limit is $200. Now, this is a secured credit card, so you are looking to put down $200 for a security deposit. Now, there is an annual fee of $50. There is no monthly fee with this credit card, and they have a APR of 19.9%. And this credit card is best for people with no credit or that is new to credit and that have a score below 500. So all three of these cards are all designed for people with no credit or with a lower credit score. I would definitely recommend the Credit One Bank, as I did mention earlier on in this video. That was one of the first credit cards that I got. And it did help me build my personal credit and the Premier credit card as well. So both of these cards are good for people, again, with a lower credit score and that is looking to build a personal credit. So, if you guys did enjoy this video where I brought you some information, make sure that you give this video a likes and make sure that you hit the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you can be notified.